Hello, little rabbit. How do you live?
Hello, Lion. I live in a cozy burrow.
Do you run fast to escape danger?
Yes, I run fast. Do you?
I am fast, but I often walk slowly.
What do you eat, Mr. Lion?
I eat meat, like deer and zebras.
I eat grass and carrots.
Very different from me, indeed.
Yes, but we both enjoy the sun.
True, the sun feels nice and warm.
Nice to meet you, Regal.
Nice to meet you too, Whisker.